The clock is ticking and the year's almost over, but before you pop the champagne and ring in the new year, there are some crucial financial moves you should make to set yourself up for success. Imagine starting next year knowing you maximized your savings, slashed your tax bills, and are already ahead of your financial goals. Sounds great, right? Stick with me because these 10 financial tips can save you thousands, make your money work harder for you, and help you start the next year feeling like $1,000,000. Number 1. Max out your retirement account. If you haven't maxed out your 401ks or IRA contributions, now's the time to do it. For 2024, the limit for 401k contributions is $22,500 or $30,000 if you're 50 and older. For IRAs, it's $6,500 or $7,500 if you're 50 and older. Even if you can't hit the max, contribute as much as you can. It's a great way to reduce your taxable income while building your retirement nest egg. Here's the thing, many people leave this to the last minute, but every dollar counts. Even an extra $500 contribution can make a huge difference over time thanks to compound growth. So if your employer offers a match, make sure you contribute enough to get the full amount. That's free money you don't want to leave on the table. Number 2, review your tax situation. The end of the year is your last chance to make moves that can lower your tax bill. Consider harvesting tax losses. If you have investments that have underperformed, you can sell them to offset the capital gains. This strategy not only saves you on taxes, but also lets you rebalance your portfolio for the next year. Making charitable donations. Contributions to qualifying organizations are tax deductible. Giving to causes you care about not only helps others, but can also provide you with meaningful tax benefits. Adjusting your withholdings. Use a tax calculator to see if you withheld too much or too little this year. If you've been constantly overpaying, you're essentially giving the government an interest-free loan. On the other hand, underpaying could mean a surprise tax bill or even penalties. Take a few minutes to ensure you've struck the right balance and avoid any unpleasant surprises when tax season rolls around. Remember to keep receipts for all your donations and document any deductions you plan to claim. A little organization now can save you a huge headache later. Number 3, use your flexible savings account. If you have an FSA, remember that the money doesn't roll over indefinitely. Most plans have a use it or lose it policy with a grace period. So what does that mean for you? It's time to schedule that eye exam. Buy new glasses, stock up on eligible medical supplies before the deadline. Don't let your hard-earned dollars go to waste. Check your plan's rules and make a quick list of items or services you've been putting off. Number 4, check your health savings account. HSAs are triple tax advantage, meaning your contributions, earnings, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are all tax-free. Unlike FSAs, the funds roll over to the next year, but it's still a good idea to review your account and maximize contributions if possible. For 2024, the limit is $3,850 for individuals and $7,750 for families. So have you considered using your HSA as an investment tool? Most people don't realize that HSAs can grow just like a retirement account if you don't need the money right away. Some HSA providers allow you to invest your balance in mutual funds or ETFs, unlocking the potential for long-term growth. By investing your HSA funds, you're not just saving for medical expenses, you're giving your money the opportunity to grow tax-free over time. This makes HSAs a unique tool that can double as a supplemental retirement account if you can't afford to cover current medical expenses out of pocket. Number 5, pay down high-interest debt. Interest rates are on the rise, so carrying high-interest debt like credit cards can cost you more than ever. Make a plan to pay down as much as you can before the year ends. Every dollar you pay off is a dollar saved in the future interest. I like to start with the highest interest debt, the avalanche method, to save the most on interest, or tackle the smallest balance first, snowball method, or psychological wins. Choose what works best for you, but take action. You'll feel good starting the new year with a lighter financial burden. Paying down even a portion of high interest debt can provide relief and put you on a stronger path for the future. Number 6, boost your emergency fund. If the past few years have taught us anything, it's the importance of having a solid emergency fund. Ideally, you should aim for 3 to 6 months of living expense. Take advantages of year-end bonuses, holiday gifts, or any extra cash flow to top off your fund. Unexpected expenses can come at the worst times. A car repair, a medical bill, or even a sudden job loss. Having an emergency fund can give you a financial cushion, so you don't really have to rely on credit cards or loans when these surprises pop up. Even adding just a little bit more to your fund now can make a big difference down the road. Number 7, reassess your budget. Has your income or spending changed this year? The end of the year is a perfect time to look at your budget and make adjustments. Look for areas where you can cut back and redirect those funds towards savings or investments. Ask yourself, did I spend on things that truly brought value to my life this year? If not, now's the time to reallocate those dollars. Consider using a budgeting app to track your spending. These apps make it easier to identify patterns and see where your money's going, helping you make adjustments that align with your financial goals. Number 8. Plan for holiday spending. Holiday expenses can add up quickly. Make a plan now to avoid overspending and starting the new year in debt. Set a budget for gifts, travel, and celebrations and stick to it. Use cashback apps or credit cards with rewards to make your holiday shopping work for you. It's like getting a little bonus for spending on what you're already planning on doing. Try finding creative ways to stretch your holiday budget by looking for sales, using reward points, or combining cashback offers. You might be surprised at how much you can save without sacrificing the personal touch of your gifts. Number 9. Review your insurance policies. When was the last time you reviewed your insurance? Never. Whether it's health, auto, home, or life insurance, the end of the year is a good time to ensure you have the coverage you need at the best price. Maybe there are discounts available that you're not taking advantage of, like bundling multiple policies with the same provider. Even updating your records to account for major life changes like marriages, a new job, a new baby, or moving could save you money and enhance your protection. A quick call to your insurance company could be worth it. Number 10. Reflect and set financial goals for next year. Take some time to think about what you've accomplished financially this year. Did you save more than expected or make progress on paying down debt? Maybe you didn't hit every goal, and that's okay. The key is to use what you learned this year so you can make even better progress next year. Whether it's building a bigger emergency fund, investing constantly, or finally starting that side hustle. Clear goals gives you a direction and purpose. Take those goals and write them down. Research shows just the fact of writing your goals down, you're more likely to accomplish them. It's a simple habit that can keep you motivated, especially if you place your list somewhere you see every day. I have my goals set as the background on my laptop, so I look at it every day. Another good spot is on a mirror. That way when you're getting ready in the morning, there's a reminder of what you're working towards. A great way to start the year strong is with a budget, so check out this video to help you get started. And remember, I believe in you.